Going to Jamilla. Jamilla, what is Fongola Port? What is Fongola Port?
Open the door.
Yeah, well done. Speak louder.
Open the door.
Yes, Fongola Port, open the door. Oh my god. Jamie, what is hot in Lingala?
It's a motor.
What is hot?
It's a motor.
Well done. Hello guys, hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl again, Casey. So thank you everybody for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos, putting comments. So may God bless you. Please, if it's your first time to visit my channel, I would like you to share and subscribe. Like the video, share to your social media, subscribe to my channel. God is gonna bless you more. Thank you for those that have subscribed already. So as you can see the title for this video, we are going to learn Lingala with my kids. So basically guys, I decided to be teaching my kids my language as they was born in UK. So I decided to teach them my language because I think it's really important for us parents to teach our kids how to speak parents' languages as well. So it doesn't matter how many languages you have, you can still teach your kids. So it's really good to teach them when they are in younger age, so when they're growing up they're not going to forget. So guys, teach your kids your language is really important. It doesn't matter how many languages you speak, just teach your kids. So they was born in UK. So they are in young age. So my first one is 6 years old. So today this video basically is my son's idea. So I decided to test them and see if they can understand my language as well. So I'll be speaking in Lingala. Basically I'm from Congo Kinshasa, DRC. So I'm going to speak in Lingala, and then they're going to I'm going to ask them questions in English, so they'll be answering in Lingala, and sometimes I'll be asking them in Lingala, they will answer in English. So we're going to test them and see if they do understand. So guys, stay tuned. Please like this video, share it on your social media. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't just come and watch a video and leave. No, come watch a video and subscribe. Please support my channel, support my kids, support. We will come with more videos in Lingala as well with the kids. So thank you for you guys. Let's go to the point. Let's start straight to the point. Mbote na balandine sotu ya Kelly Dress TV. En tout cas, vraiment nzambe apambola bino bisika bozali. Merci na bino o déjà bo s'abonner na chaîne ya Kelly Dress TV. Merci na bino bozo komela biso bozo tinela biso ba commentaire bozo benga. Nzambe vraiment apambola bino. Soki nano s'abonner na chaîne ya Kelly Dress TV te ko yaka kato tali video, OK, yaka tala video, s'abonner. Aimez vidéo na biso nzambe akozanga kopambola yote ndenge bozomona deja na titre lelo tozo yekola Lingala na bana nanga ya mobali pe basi mibale ya liboso aza na 6 ans. Donc yango na mona kike eza eloko moko ya bien pona biso ba parents to laksa bana na biso ndenge ni bakoki ko yekola pe koloba lang na biso babotami awa na UK, mais ezolakisa te ke bakoki koyekola Lingala te. Donc eloko moko o ba parents na biso bazaki kosala mabe mwana soki aye na poto na age muke omona ke bakolinga mwana ayekola anglais abosa na Lingala, mais eza mabe, eza vraiment bien. Ata bana babotami na mboka oyo ya UK, il faut kolakisa mwana na yo ndenge nini ya koloba Lingala bana na age ya muke. Soko zolakisa bango deja na ba age ya mike ti bakopusa na bakoloba yango très bien. Ezala te ke ba erreur ba parents na biso basala ki mwana ye na poto na age ya muke bolingi lisusa loba Lingala te bokotisi ba classe nanda ko komi kaka anglais na anglais. Soki olobi na mwana na Lingala azoyoka te, soki olobi na mwana boye mwana azotosa te. Donc ba o bayebi o nazoloba ba o bayebi eza vraiment malamu te. Po na nga la mona keza important po na nga na lakisa bana na nga ndenge nini ya koloba Lingala. Ata babotami na poto baye kola ndenge nini ya koloba Lingala. Eza bien, eza pe na eloko msusu ya msusu. Oza na besoin oloba yango na Lingala. Me soki bana bayebi te moye oloba yango eza te. Emso eloko yango eza eloko mo bolingi batu msusu bayeba te me. Moye oloba yango na anglais eza te. Me soki bana bayebi Lingala, okoloba na Lingala bana ba comprendre. Donc bana nanga baza bana mike na âge déjà ya liboso aza na âge ya 6 ans. Mais tellement nanda kutosalaka effort wana ya koloba na bango Lingala. Poto yebi ke soki bake na school ba lobaka anglais. Donc ba loba anglais na school nanda ku photo lakisaka bango Lingala. Biso mingi nanda ku na mekaka koloba lingato mekaka koloba Lingala mingi ke anglais po bana ba mesana. Lelo tozo sala bango test ngai na bino to découvrir soki vraiment Lingala o biso to lobelaka bango ba comprendre kango toko bana rotuna bango ba question na Lingala bango bazozongisela biso na anglais. Mais moko pe toko bana ko trick bango donc tozo tuna question na anglais bango ba meka ko répondre ngo na Lingala to découvrir ngana bino to yeba soki bana na biso ba yokaka vraiment Lingala soki bana na biso ba lobaka makam ba yokaka makam o biso to lobelaka bango. Vraiment na ko encourager ba parents bolanda vraiment lokolo eza vraiment bien pour lelo na kozo bana langa ata kutu na bakena na Congo te ngape bana na ya na mboka o mwana mukena na zonga na Congo te mais soki na zongi na bana soki bana bazolo Lingala te bakosolo na ba parents na ngandenge nini soki bana bazolo Lingala te bakosolo na bakoko na bango na bandeko na bango ndenge nini po kuna na Afrique vraiment langue to lobaka eza Lingala. Ebele bayebi anglais te mais soki mwana yebi Lingala te ayebi anglais ok na ye na Congo akosolola na langue nini akozala vraiment na difficulté ya ko communiquer na bandeko na bango mususu o baza na Congo. C'est mieux yango yo to telema ba mama to lakisa bana Lingala. Donc ata mwana oya botami ayebi koloba anglais te na ndaku problème ezate yo lakisa Lingala okende school akoyekola na ye anglais. Donc nanda ku fondation bana nanda ku na Lingala na school okende koyekola na anglais. Lelo tozo découvrir na bino please boka bola vidéo oyo bo share vidéo oyo bo aimer bo chela biso ba commentaire vraiment boko za la décité toza na ba vidéo ebele o toko ya na ngoli susu na bana na biso. Donc utapesa ki aider o eza mwana nga ya mobali ya 6 ans yende mutalobaki to sala vidéo mais lelo toko tala soki vraiment eloko asenga ki ayebi vraiment yango tozo sala yango na bino tolandi elongo. Merci. So hello guys, we're here again. So we're going to start with the boy, my son. Hello Jamie.
Hello.
What's your name?
Jamie.
How old are you?
I'm 6.
Yes. Hello Jamima.
Hi.
What's your name?
Jamima.
How old are you?
4.
Oh wow, mama ba fière, eh? Hello Jamila.
Hi.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Jamila. How old are you?
2.
2. Well done. Okay, so guys, I've got the questions on the book here. So we're going to start asking our questions and find out. So guys, what is Mama? Do you know what we're doing today?
We're learning Lingala.
Yes, we're learning Lingala in Mommy's language. Okay, so do you guys know what's Mommy language?
Yeah.
What's my language?
Lingala.
Yes. Oh my God, it knows my language is Lingala. Okay, so guys, the first question is gonna go to Jamima. Where's Jamima here? Yes, she's there, Jamima. So Jamima, we're going to ask you a question. What is Kitoko? So Jamima, what is Kitoko?
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Oh my God, Kitoko is beautiful. She's right. Well done, Jamima. Okay, so the next question is going to Jamie. Jamie, what is Mbote?
Hi.
Yes, Mbote is hi. Well done, guys. Whoa, I'm so glad. So the next question is going to Jamila. So the next question, Jamila, what is Nalingio? Yes, I love you. Oh my God. So boy like sabana no ndenge ya koloba Lingala tozomo na deja bazo kende bien. So I love you, Jamila. Donc na lingio Jamila lobi I love you. So the next question is going to Jamie. Jamie, what is yakakolia?
Come and eat.
Well done. Come and eat. Oh my God. Teach your kids your language. So Jamima, the next question is going to Jamima. Jamima, what is kanga port?
Open the door.
Kanga port.
Yeah.
Speak louder, baby.
Close the door.
Well done. Kanga port is close the door. I'm glad with you guys. They're doing it right. They were doing it right. So the next question is going to Jamilla. Where's Jamilla?
Yeah.
Jamilla, what is fanda? Yes, sit down. Well done. Fanda is sit down. So the next question is going to Jamie. Jamie, what is kende kolala?
Go to bed.
Yes, go to bed, go to sleep. Well done. So the next question is going to Jamima. Jamima, what is yakakolia?
Come and eat.
Well done. Speak louder.
Come and eat.
Well done. Come and eat. Yakakolia, come and eat. So well done. So the next question is going to Jamilla. Jamilla, what is fongola porte? What is fongola porte?
Open the door.
Yeah, well done. Speak louder.
Open the door.
Yes, fongola porte, open the door. Oh my God. The next question is going to Jamie. Jamie, what is melamai?
Drink water.
Louder.
Drink water.
Well done. Drink water. The next question is going to Jamima. Okay, Jamima question. Ozawapi.
Where are you?
Well done. Where are you? Bandeko don bozo mona mwana ya 6 ans, mwana ya 4 ans, mwana ya 2 ans. Bazo yoka vraiment lingala très bien. Ce qui bozo laksa bango bako loba na bango. Ozo yoka ke bazo laksa. Donc si ko na tu na Jamie, oyaza na 6 ans question na anglais ya a répondre na lingala. Donc na lingi siko na tricky ye na tala soki a comprendre ou bien aebi lingala pe. So Jamie, what is hot in lingala?
It's a motto.
What is hot?
It's a motto.
Well done. What is hot is a moto. Donc aza na raison is hot na lingala et la kisi is a moto. Donc bana bazo lo balingala très bien. Bazo yo kapé. Moi muke donc bazo yo kana ba on me ko lo bateza moi muke bien penza te mais bazo yo ka eloko ya malamu za bongo bazo kola ozomona ke bakolo bana bango lingala eza problème te bazo yoka donc nyonso koloba na lingala nga nyonso na loba na lingala bayoka ka so na tindi bango bayoka ka. Jamie, what is I'm hungry?
Nzala.
Well done. Nazana nzala. Donc so mtabi nazana nzala. I am hungry. Donc I'm hungry nazana nzala. Malgré moi difficulté ça mais c'est bon quand même bazo loba muke. Jamima, what is Bika Noki?
Get well soon.
Yeah, get well soon. Bika Noki. So you must be la way say Bika Noki. It means get well soon. When somebody is ill or somebody's not feeling well, you told them Bika Noki. It means get well soon. Oh my God. Nakei. Jamila, what is Nakei?
I going.
Yes, I'm going. Right. Nakei means I'm going. Thank you guys. Thank you for being with us. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna leave the kids to go now. Thank you guys. Thank you. You are really good. I love you guys. I love you so much. I love you, Jamie. I love you, Jamima, and I love you, Jamilla. Thank you for being with mommy. Yeah, thank you. You guys did well done. Keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Keep on going. I love you guys. Okay, so what are you gonna say, guys? Say bye to them. Bye.
Make sure to subscribe and like the channel.
Thank you. Bye in language it means bye. What's bye in my language? Nakei. Say nakei. Nakei. Say tokei. Okay, bye. So I'll leave you guys. You guys can go and play if you want to.
Make sure to subscribe.
Oh, thank you.
Subscribe a lot.
Yes, subscribe, Ella. Subscribe, guys. They said subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel. We will come with more videos with them, so you guys gonna learn Lingala with my kids. Thank you so much for watching with them. So I'm gonna leave them to go. I will continue the video. Bye bye, guys.
Bye.
See ya.
Can we watch you?
Yes, baby. So that's it, guys. As I was saying, teach your kids your language. It doesn't matter what age they are, even they are 19, 14, 15, you can still teach them your language. It's not too late, guys. So I decided to teach mine in younger ages when they're growing up, so they will know more. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Pona bato ba otu nanga soki na kati suki na kati nanga suki te suki nange zalaka nango boy deja banda kala banda 2019 ne na banda okata suki na banda okata suki nanga po vraiment e banda ko sala ngam tout pasi na ko ka suki milaite na comment donc ata ba video bozo mona so na tie periki so na aussi sakaka video boy na longoli periki na ko ka susu o ba suki milaite donc yango wana vraiment. Merci na bino nyonso botala kinzamba pambola bino bobo sala te bolakisa bana ba langue na bino lakisa bana langue na bino ezala ba komi déjà mikolo eza problème te yo yekolisa bango kaka langue na yo ezala vraiment bien kitoko makasi. Merci na bino botala ki biso nzambe apambola bino. Bye bye.
Elite Joyce, wow. Chaîne wana ya koloba très. Salut, c'est votre journaliste Eliane Poto, je vous aime beaucoup. Abonnez-vous sur notre chaîne YouTube, Kelly Joyce. Waouh, je vous aime. Salut, c'est votre journaliste Eliane Poto, je vous aime beaucoup. Abonnez-vous sur notre chaîne YouTube, Kelly Joyce. Waouh, je vous aime.
solo bakoyeba yo ndenge